Since 2009, BINC has manufactured high-performance windows and doors for the Australian market. As demand grows, our commitment to product development and capacity continues to move forward. We have recently expanded our operations. By combining our original factory with the facility next door, we have significantly increased our manufacturing footprint, ensuring we maintain a steady supply of world-standard products. Inside the expanded facility, production flows through a highly structured assembly line, designed for maximum accuracy and efficiency. It begins with precision cutting. Our automated machinery processes raw uPVC profiles, cutting them to exact design specifications with minimal waste. These profiles then move to the automated welding stage. Here, the uPVC joints are precisely heated and fused together, creating seamless corners that ensure structural integrity and long-term durability. Once the frames are formed, they enter the corner cleaning stage. Advanced CNC machinery removes any excess weld trim, restoring a perfectly clean, smooth finish. The next phase is rubber gasket sealing. Weather-resistant seals provide the vital barrier needed for noise reduction and weather resistance. From there, hardware integration takes place. Our team installs heavy-duty locks, hinges, and smooth gliding mechanisms, ensuring functionality and enhanced security. Every completed unit undergoes rigorous quality checking to verify its performance before being packed and staged for transport. For builders, architects, and developers, this increased scale means greater reliability. Our expanded capacity allows us to maintain steady lead times and deliver volume orders on schedule. While machinery drives our efficiency, our team ensures our quality. Our skilled staff operate in a clean, safe, and organized environment, applying practical craftsmanship to every unit we build. We invite you to explore our uPVC product capabilities. You can visit our showroom, speak with our team, or view technical specifications online at binc.com.au. BINC, Australian made, built to world standards.